You're the chill one. Corey, can you lock him out?
No.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, sing. 1, 2.
So, Daddy, you're not singing, you're mumbling rubbish.
No, I'm not crying. No. I just can't take the noise. Okay?
That's why he's not with you. It's me. Yeah. Tell Mom all about it.
So sit down and tell me now. This is what I want you to do. I want you to tell me what is the problem. You first? Alright. Oh, no.
Come on by the shoulder.
No. Listen to me. That not going to work. Right, Kaden? Kaden, you understand what I'm saying? These two right here, I said, don't do that. You have to learn from now. You understand what I'm saying? I first me ever see so much yai one time. Who yai? Yeah? What ya?
See, they turn their eyes.
Alright, come pay me.
It's okay, you don't want to see our eyes?
Pay me for me entertainment.
Yeah. He said no.
No. You go and call your mother. Tell her say me want the money.
Yes.
As you hear about money, you start making noise. Sit up.
Yeah, they're not into this. Oh my God. All right. You don't want him on you?
Don't bite him.
You forgive him? Don't eat your brother's hand. Yeah. All right, Caleb. Caleb is like...